A bunch of you have asked about our new Jura home espresso, ristretto, and coffee machine, so I thought I would post this little video while I am making myself a cup of coffee. As you can see up here, these are the buttons that select what strength and size brew you're making. The 1 bean is normal strength, the 3 bean is strong, and then this is ristretto, espresso, and coffee. I'm making a regular strength coffee. There's the bean hopper. You ready? Here we go. Freshly ground beans. Here it comes. Yum, look at that beautiful, creamy, steamy coffee coming out. There is just nothing like a fresh ground, fresh brewed coffee. Of course, it makes amazing ristretto and espresso, but in the morning I like coffee. And that is how we make coffee in the Mitchell Kennedy household.